chapter special products and factorization, we have already done some applications of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So today's video is going to be about the third objective, that is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So let's get started. So students, here we have the formula that we are going to use for solving the sums in the today's videos, that is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So here we have the statement, that is find product. Find the product. So here is the first example, x plus 5 into x minus 5. So what we have to do, we have to find the product of these two given brackets, right? Now you can see that this variable, that is x, and this number or constant you can see is common in both bracket, like x, 5, 5. But they are getting different from each other by one thing, that is the sign. Here is plus sign, here is minus sign. So it is x plus 5 into x minus 5. So whenever we will get this type of question, this type of statement, then always we will apply this formula, that is a plus b into a minus b, because if we will compare this statement with this formula, so x is on the place of a and 5 is on the place of b, which is equals to a square minus b square, right? Now what we will write here, we will write the formula to the right hand side of the question, and whatever the value of a, that is a is equals to x and b is equals to 5, we will write over here. Now put this formula over here. So the formula is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So a square means x square. So we will write here x square. Minus means minus. B square means 5 square. Right? Now square of x will be x square. Minus will be minus. And square of 5 will be 25. So the answer will be x square minus 25. Right? So now move to the next example. Now here we have the second example, find the product. Again we have a statement like 2y minus 3 into 2y plus 3. Again we can see that these two brackets are same, but they are getting different from each other by one thing, that is sign. That is minus sign and plus sign, right? So they differ from each other with the sign. So we can apply this formula here, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, where a is equals to 2y and b is equals to 3, right? So now here students, we will apply this formula. A square means 2y square. So we will write here 2y square, minus remains minus, 3 square, because value of b is equals to 3. So we will write here 3 square. Now 2 square means 4, y square means y square. So we will get here 4y square. Minus will remain minus, 3 square means 9. So we got our answer here, that is 4y square minus 9, right? Now move to the next example. Now here we have the third example. The statement is find the product a plus 6b into a minus 6b. Again the brackets are same and they are different from each other with the sign, that is plus sign and minus sign. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we will write the formula to the right hand side of the question like this. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, right? So for a is equals to a, because the value of a is equals to a, you can see here, right? And the value of b is equals to 6b. You can see 6b as the value of b. Now we will apply this formula here, that is a square means a square, minus will remain minus, and value of b is equals to 6b. So we will write here 6b square, right? So a square means a square, square of a will be a square, minus will remain minus, square of 6 will be 36, and square of b will be b square. So here the answer will be a square minus 36b square, right? Now move to the next example. So here we have the fourth example, find the product, and the statement is 2p plus 4q into 2p minus 4q. Again, if we will compare this statement with this formula, so we can get the value of a as 2p and value of p as 4q, right? So we can apply this formula here. So we will write this to the right hand side of the question, that is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So a is equals to 2p, right? And b is equals to 4q. Now apply this formula here. A square means 2p square minus remain minus, and b square means 4q square. Now square of 2 will be 4, square of p will be p square. So we will get here 4p square. Minus will remain minus, square of 4 will be 16 and square of q will be q square. So here we will get our answer as 4p square minus 16q square, right? So students, these examples were very easy. Now I hope all of you are able to do the related homework that we have sent you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.